Today we're looking into the story of Alyssa Pladl, a woman whose life became known worldwide after one of the most disturbing and tragic family cases in recent history. What began as a reunion with her biological daughter turned into a nightmare involving crime, abuse, and devastating loss. Years later, many people are asking, where is Alyssa Pladl now? Let's find out. The case dates back to 2016 to 2018, when Alyssa Pladl reconnected with her biological daughter, who had been given up for adoption as a baby. What followed shocked the nation. Her estranged husband, Stephen Pladl, began an incestuous relationship with their daughter after the reunion. The situation escalated quickly, leading to pregnancy, an illegal marriage, and criminal charges. In April 2018, the case took a horrific turn. Stephen Pladl went on a murder spree, killing their infant child, their daughter, and her adoptive father before taking his own life. The tragedy left lasting emotional and psychological damage for everyone connected to the case. In the aftermath, Alyssa Pladl spoke out publicly, expressing grief and raising awareness about abuse and the dangers of incest. But over time, she stepped away from the spotlight. So, where is Alyssa Pladl now? As of recent updates, Alyssa Pladl is alive and living a very private life with her surviving children, away from media attention. She has chosen to stay out of the public eye, focusing on healing and rebuilding her life after the tragedy. While she occasionally spoke out in the past to raise awareness, today she remains largely out of the spotlight, prioritizing her family and personal recovery. From a devastating family case that shocked the world to a quiet life away from public attention, Alyssa Pladl's story is one of tragedy, survival, and moving forward after unimaginable loss.